When everything is white.
Welcome back, everybody. My name is Miss Sassy Pants. I know it's been a long time. We've been taking some time off. I don't know why she took time off, but because she takes time off, I have to take time off. Anyway, listen, we got some boxes here. They're starting to come in for December. My goodness, I know. I don't know if we showed you everything in November. Anyway, that's just, you know what? You shut the hell up, William. I'm trying to talk. Okay, just... She showed up in her pajamas. Oh my God, dear Lord. Greg, tell her to go ask Edward. Put her... Just... Why are you wearing a nightgown? You look like an old lady. Okay, anyway. All right, back to the program. So... she's going out to run some errands, so she said go ahead while, you know, the stuff on her face is settling in. That's why it looks so, you know, shiny, glowing. Okay, so anyway, she's gonna finish up our face when I get done here. Guess what we got? I think I told you already, didn't I? Maybe not. Okay, so anyway, okay, look at that. Yeah, oh yes, we did. We got the BOXYCHARMs. And these are not the BOXYCHARM bases. These are the premiums. So we are going to have a battle. Yes, we are. You know why? Because I said so. All right, so listen. I'm going to have to use the goggles, you know, her second pair of eyes. But for those of you that don't know anything about BOXYCHARM, well, it's not my problem and it's not my job to tell you what it is. But I will. BOXYCHARM is month to month. The price is going to be on the screen, how much it is, because offhand up here, I have no idea. She didn't give me that information when I sat down. But there's a premium, okay, there's a base box, there's a premium, and there's a luxe. That's it. That's all I know. Okay, she'll give you more information in the lady's video. Okay, so when the lady does her video, she'll probably give you more information. I don't know. Maybe she will. Maybe she won't. Okay. This is it. Check it out. It's the baby blue box. Look at her starting to put these soft squishies in there again. You'll get a card. Yes, you do. This is the one for December 2023. And it says, "'Tis the season for being extra." Oh, just, you know, guys, everybody knows Sassy's more extra than I'm XXXL extra. Yes, I am. On the back, look, on the back right here, it gives you a list of all the items that are in your box. So don't go saying, I don't know what to do with this. I don't know why they gave me that. Okay? No, that if you don't know what, you know, if you don't know what to do with the products in your box, don't you worry. Don't you fret. For they give you a list on the other side of this card, and it tells you everything, including the retail price and how to use the darn thing. So just, you know what, and if you can't read, I don't know, ask your child. Okay? All right. Now sit your country ass down. Listen to the rest of the video. Okay. So I think we might have to put on the goggles. Oh, here they go. Oh, Lord Jesus, the whole world opened up. Okay. So anyway. First item on the list is by Course. Oh, yummy. This is a probiotic. Look at this, you guys. This is a probiotic super dose face mask. Oh, dear Lord. You know me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Face mask. We got to get back into these mask Mondays. We really do. This thing is heavy too, you guys. Look. Oh, yes, it is. It's very heavy. Anti-pollution. It's a yogurt. Oh, yum. Hey, Greg, go give me a spoon. This is yogurt. I'm going to try it. Just go grab a spoon from the kitchen. Ask the husband if I can have a spoon. It says it's yogurt. I wonder what flavor. Probably vanilla. It's a big jar. Look at it. It's a big jar. It's got your nice little cap on there. Oh, I like when they do that. Okay, this is not yogurt. No, this isn't. Oh no, Greg, scratch that. Greg, scratch that, I said. Come back here and sit down. No, it's for your face. I think I got some on my nose. $52. Just letting you know. Okay. Yeah, I know. Greg, did I get some on my nose? Oh my god, it feels like it. Okay, the next one is Growing Alchemist. And you know, for the life of heaven, we have never tried anything like this. We just don't. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Scratch that. Go backwards. Yes, we have. It's in the bathroom. It's a yellow one. This is so cute. This is a Pepto-Bismol color. Well, yes, it is. Anti-pollution primer. Oh, of course. We could have used that today. It's a primer, you guys. And it comes in at $42. This is very nice. Hydrating gel primer. Oh, I like that one. We're going to have to... She needs to let me try, you know, to do my own face. You know, like, just let me come out and do her face and just trust me, you know. Just, yes, she does. Okay. And then we got the, oh yes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Comes with a brush, you guys. Comes with a brush. Yes, it does. What color? What color? Medium brown. They're paying attention to us. We have some of the most gorgeous eyebrows. I always tell her that. Look at them. Oh, yes, yes. You know why? Because after a while, she had to go get them done. Shh, don't tell her. Don't tell anybody. Okay, these were $21. Well, this is $21. This is $18. Damn brush. Oh, look, it has a spoolie on the other side. Spoolie on the brush. Oh, yes, yes. Okay, now want to see what that deep brown looks like? We have these. We have these already. So it comes in a pretty class. See? Can you see? There's deep brown. Yes. Okay. 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 Well, okay. We're done. Next. We got to keep this video short, you guys. 18 and 21. Oh, now what do we have? We have the Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray from Ciate London. Watermelon Burst. These are always so pretty, you know. Look at how nice they look. This looks refreshing, right? You know it does. Oh, look at my face. It's glowing so much. We're letting the Huda Beauty, the moisturizing cream, it has a little bit of tint in it. It's settling into my pores. Well, not my pores because we have primer underneath. And then she's going to set it with a clear powder from Anastasia. And it won't look all glowy. Okay, so anyway, all right, let's move on. $22. Ooh, let's smell this stuff. Oops, I think I got it on the camera. Okay, never mind. Oh, it smells like watermelon. That smells delicious. You guys, it smells delicious. Yes, it does. Okay, $22. Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab. New launch. The hell? What the heck? What Perfect Collab? Pencil eyeliner set. It's a crayon. Okay, it's bronze. It's bronze. Okay, what is this? Oh, look it. These are pencils. Check them out, you guys. Look, and this one has like this stuff right here. And then there's that right there. I don't know what is this thing. We're going to have to read the card to find out what these are, okay? Your perfect collab is here in an expertly matched pencil eyeliner set. Eyeliners. These creamy, easy glide liners go on smooth and give you a long-lasting look with staying power. Now that's beauty for certain. Okay, you check yourself out. These are eyeliners. Ooh, Frenchie. Ciao. Yes, Frenchie. Check these out, you guys. These are ciao. Gorgeous. Let's do this. Also kind of cool. Yes, yes. You can barely see this one right here. Yeah. Oh, you like those? See? Ciao. Yes, I know. These will be nice, but not for today because we have on a different color. We can't wear this one color today. So anyway, okay. So thank you very much. BOXYCHARM, I appreciate it. Yes, for all the goodies and getting my box here before the 10th of the month because, you know, you guys have been late quite a bit. All right, so now let me tell you the best part about it. What's the name of that thing again? What is it? What is it? Your variation number. Who gives a crap? It is 2207. No, wait a minute. Scratch that first two. 207. What is my what was that thing called again? Oh, what's my total? All right, you guys, right here. It's not bad. I don't know if I beat her, but you know, at $193, that's a lot of stuff. And that yogurt, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do a video either today or tomorrow, maybe when I take off all of this, and maybe she'll let me, and I'll just try to record my mask Monday, before Monday, so you guys can see me again. Oh, I know you guys miss me. You do. And for those of you that don't know who I am, you know what? You're missing out. If you don't hit that subscribe button, turn on all those notifications, you will never know when Sassy Pants shows up. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys coming, sitting down with me, making some time, laughing once in a while. No, with me it's laughter all the time. Okay. Except for when I open up some serious boxes. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll see ya in the next video. Bye. Peace. Did somebody hide the clicker? William, you have the clicker? Greg, do you have the clicker? Okay, Edward? Who? The lady has it? Oh, crap. Oh, shh.